Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. Number one, happy anniversary to us. This is our anniversary week, and we are definitely celebrating 4 years in the business. So today I'm actually working on my client. I'm just doing a really basic style, and I wanted to showcase to you guys how easy you are able to use our Smooth by EHC flat irons to curl or style your hair. Now, first things first, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to also thumbs up this video and comment down below at the end and tell me what you guys think about the finish. Now, to blow out her roots, I'm using a roller brush as well as our new Platinum Turbo Blow Dryer. Now, our blow dryer is not available just yet, but today is Tool Day, you guys, which is the celebration of our Elite Hair Care tools, where we have launched our restock of our Smooth by EHC 1-inch ceramic iron, as well as dropped our newbie, which is the Smooth by EHC XL iron, which is a 2-inch ceramic iron that goes up to 500 degrees in temperature. Also has a digital LCD and as well as digital thermostat. And of course, you guys, it is able to be used on all hair types. Now, I know you guys are sitting there saying like, my gosh, you're being so rough. I'm actually not being rough, you guys, but she's sitting on this thing that just kind of makes her rock around because she's really short, and it just moves around. Now, I'm also blowing her roots out, so it does require some tension, but I had to put that disclaimer because I know somebody's going to say it. Now, to get her hairline, I'm actually using another one of our newbies that is coming very soon. This is our Smooth by EHC Mini, which is a 1/2-inch ceramic iron that also goes up to 500 degrees, as well as digital LCD settings. Now, for her hair, of course, I don't need to be using a 1/2-inch. I was just using that for the roots right at the base of her nape. I'm actually going to use our 1-inch Smooth by EHC. I have it set to 450 degrees. And I'm just giving her some big curls. I'm also spraying her down with a little bit of hairspray just to give her a slight hold. And then the sectioning for this particular style is about 1 inch of a section. Now, the good thing about the Smooth by EHC flat irons is they have a rounded base or a rounded shell. So it allows me to be able to curl or even straighten my client's hair all with the same tool. If you guys notice, I don't really use curling irons. I use my flat irons, and I'm able to achieve that same curl that I would if I was using a traditional curling iron. So you no longer have to have a million tools. You can have 1 to 2 tools and get the job done. Now, because she is salt and pepper and she is natural, I am using 450 degrees in temp when it comes on to the degree setting for the curls. And another reason why I'm doing that is I'm one of those people, I rather do 1 pass rather than to do 3, 4, and 5 passes with it on a lower heat setting. Because guess what? 3, 4, 5 passes on a lower heat setting is going to equate to the same temperature or even the same amount of heat that you would have gotten from 1 pass to 2 passes at 450 degrees. Now, of course, whenever you're using our irons, I highly recommend starting out at about 300 to 350 degrees and testing it or doing a strand test to see what your hair can tolerate. Every particular person's hair is going to be different, so you're not always going to use the same heat setting as me. I want you guys to also notate that I haven't really put any other products in her hair. If you guys can tell, she has that purple hue to her hair right now. I used our Voila Purple Toning Shampoo to tone out any brassy colors that she might have. And knowing that I'm going to be curling her, I went ahead and made sure that I left the Voila on just a little bit longer, because sometimes heat elements or heating tools, hot tools, can change the color of gray hair as well and give it that yellowy finish. So the Voila Purple Toning Shampoo is what I used as her complete shampoo today, as well as the Elite Clarify to cleanse her hair and her scalp first. But I shampooed her twice with the Voila, and I left it on for about 5 minutes to allow her hair to tone out any of those negative tones, as I said before. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to also use that thumbs up button and tell YouTube how great my channel is. And of course, at the end of the video, comment and tell me what you guys thought about the finished style. Now, for curls like this, how is she going to maintain them? There's a number of ways that you can maintain something like this. You can pin curl it at night, which is probably one of the easier ways, and also one of the most comfortable because you're able to sleep regular without having the feeling of something on your head. But some people would like to use rollers. You can use your rollers should you choose. You can use flexi rods. But me personally, just doing a pin curl, I'd say about 5 to 10 of them all over the head will suffice to keep these curls nice and luscious. Now, of course, they're not going to stay super duper Shirley Temple style, but they are going to be a nice, smooth, more relaxed version of our starting curl. And when I say relaxed, meaning it's just laying just a little bit more and it's a little bit flatter, but you still have your curl definition. Now, I also wanted to remind you guys that today is Tool Day during our Elite Anniversary Week sale, where our Smooth by EHC flat irons are actually $15 off. So you're able to get one or even both of our irons for $15 off each iron, and there is no limit to how many you can get. It is also 25% off site-wide on all of our Elite hair care products, including our new Hair Repair and Revive collection, which is the upgraded version to our hair repair and restoration products. Okay, so this collection is 25% off today as well. And shipping under $150 is only $7 today. So you guys go check out the website at elitehaircareusa.com. Check out our products, and of course, grab what you need during this definite holiday season, because Elite Anniversary Week is a holiday for me, okay? This is a holiday. Just know that it's a holiday. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to let you guys watch me finish curling. Definitely keep your eyes on the technique, you guys. This is what you'll be doing at home whenever you're using your iron. And technique is really the name of the game. It's not about the tool per se. Yes, the tool needs to be of high quality, because if you guys notice, the hair, it's gliding on the hair and not dragging the hair, okay? Now, if the plates are cheap, it will drag, and then it will cause a whole nother problem for you. The good thing about our irons is, no, they do not drag. They are easy cleaning when it comes on to like the buildup or anything, because you can get buildup on plates. That doesn't stop from anything. And then we also offer a 1-year limited warranty on all of our irons, which of course we stand behind our irons. Our irons are tested before we even allow them to be sold. We literally go and plug in each individual iron one by one, turn them on, turn them off, make sure that they heat, make sure that they are in good condition, make sure that you can see the temperature setting, and make sure that the plug is not faulty. We do this the moment our shipment comes in, because we want to make sure that we're providing you quality products. Now that we're done curling her, I'm going to spray her with a little bit of our Goddess Polish. Now, the Goddess Polish is a lightweight shine spray. It doesn't weigh the hair down. It just adds a little bit of gloss to the hair. It also helps to keep it nice and sleek. And then I also sprayed her with some slight hold hairspray just to keep the shape of the curls throughout the day, because of course she's going to church the next day and I wanted the shape to last. Now, if you notice, I'm not pulling the hair out too much. The reason for that is because I want those curls to kind of set and allow them to have a little more longevity, so that she can have her hair really, really pretty for church the next day. And then for her hairline, I just went through and just kind of smoothed it out after spraying a little bit of the hairspray there. Now, I don't recommend putting edge control on super natural hair. Because all it's going to do is just keep the hair wet and then it's going to end up frizzing up. So I wouldn't do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out the sale.